Is everybody sweating a little bit? Okay, good. So we're gonna go right into that body lock takedown. So you pummel, 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 till you have 2 good underhooks. Body lock, take the hips away, drive with your head, tap the knee if you want with the leg. Not a sacrifice step through, but you can just tap the knee and then carry them over your leg as you break away their hips. Go into side control. Shane, may I use you and your marvelous hair? All right, so we're here. Neutral position, 50-50. I pummel, he pummels, I pummel, he pummels. I pummel, I don't let him pummel. I step off, put my head in the center of his chest, bring my hips to him, take his hips away, drive with my head as I push with my legs, and take him to the ground into side control. Nice and controlled descent. Right? I need to be able to control his weight and my weight as I do this takedown. We're not doing any throws. A throw is where I use his weight and I say, screw you. All the takedowns we're gonna do in here are gonna be very controlled to make sure nobody gets hurt. So a body lock, double underhook takedown, very controlled. This was the first takedown you learned in level 1.
Also, don't do what I did. Don't put your hand out.
just take the fall. Just so you know where we're going. You can leave your hat. I'm gonna use you.
Oh yeah. All right.
So you don't always get to start in 50-50. Right? You usually start like here, or maybe like here, or maybe it's like someone over there being an asshole and you have to get all the way over there. That is the achieve the clench drill, and that's going to be the next thing that we're going immediately after we review this body lock takedown. So we're here, I need to get to here. Why they don't want me to get there. So that sometimes sucks. Any questions on the body lock double underhook takedown? Yeah, depending on where your hand placement is, if your hands are together and they fall on your hands and it's like on his hip, it'll hurt your little sensitive hands. I drive my arm all the way around like a seatbelt, so they're just falling on my arm. If you're falling on your arm on the street, that could hurt. So as soon as you feel that weight going, you can immediately go and look for underhooks as you fall. You already have the underhooks, but now you're going to control an underhook. Make sense? Questions on that? I'm gonna go ahead and show you though. Don't be all negative, Nancy. Alright. So as we get here, I take away his hips and I drive. As we fall, I clear my hand, I go to an underhook right here. So then he's not falling on my hands and hurting my hands because I need my hands for a variety of things.
He always makes it weird.
It's not weird. I write, I eat.
You make eye contact with me when I'm on the ground.
Yeah. Question 1, 2, 3.